Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Elmwood School in Hopkinton, Massachusetts. And it was a beautiful morning and afternoon. I got to speak to all the grades, second and third, and got to share my heart with everybody here, the students and staff. And the main focus was on bullying, looking at somebody's heart first, seeing somebody just like you see your best friend, right? And if we can really try to show that empathy and kindness and respect, no matter if somebody's born different than us, but be able to see somebody for who they are on the inside, then that's what really matters, right? So we talked about our heart being as big as our fist, and being here in the cafeteria today, that's where I presented it. But talking about our heart being as big as our fist, if we let this love and compassion and kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace. One finger's ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love and hopefully with kindness, right? And then if we are able to really think about this, that in just 2 seconds we can either uplift or we can bring down through our words and our actions. So we think about how just one kind word can change someone's entire day, maybe their entire life. So it's so important for us that if we are going through anything in our life, that we turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. Because the more that we can shine our light to so many people around us that maybe don't believe that they're good enough, that's what really matters. So we also talked about the theme of us all being true miracles, like it says right here on the front of my shirt and the palm of my hand, with the lines of our hand, we all have the letter M on each of our hands, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy, that we always remember that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, and we can now go out into this world and try to help other people around us see their worth and see their value, and sometimes remind them that they are beautiful. And they don't have to listen to all these other opinions. The only opinion that matters is what we believe and what our best true friends believe, which is hopefully that we are miracles, right? And that we hopefully also have the courage to stand up for what's right, stand up for people that really need us in that moment, and people that don't really maybe have that strong voice, or that or maybe no voice at all, that we can be their voice. And that's beautiful, because to risk getting bullied yourself or judged yourself or embarrassed yourself just to include somebody that otherwise would never be included, that means everything, right? And Dr. King has said that the time is always right to do what is right, and what is right is to show kindness to everybody around us, treat everybody, again, just like you treat and see your own best friend, to choose that love, to choose kindness each and every day. It's so important. And the students got that, right? They started their own kindness clubs here, their own Mr. Peace clubs. So thank you guys for doing that, breaking the record today for how many members joined and are committing to really making this school a welcoming atmosphere and place to be, where everybody's safe, loved, appreciated, and respected. You guys touch my heart. Hope to see you again one day. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the notification bell that you see pop up on the screen. Hit the subscribe button too to get future updates on videos just like this. And check out the amazing playlist above for some clips, along with my website, mrpeace.org, to track my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.